Hey Aquarius, getting ready to do your general reading. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, don't be disheartened if this reading doesn't resonate with you. Check out the other signs, other placements. I'm sure you'll get your answers. This one's for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. Okay. Wow, you've got so many major arcanas and they're not stopping. Amazing. Card at the bottom of the deck is Seven of Cups, card of confusion, too many choices, not feeling the energy to decide which one needs the importance, which one needs your attention. Okay, cool. Aquarius, what I feel is that for you, the times are changing and they're going towards better and more peaceful moments rather than the trying ones. The trying times are over now. Whatever ended painfully. Could be a loss, could be a loss of a job, a relationship, person, loss of yourself, but whatever it was, you moved on from that energy and you're still walking on, Aquarius. And the times are turning, making you more empowered, making you feel more empowered, more uh, strong, stronger than what you were in the recent past. Whatever you were juggling between this indecisive energy or whoever you were dealing with, could be an earth sign individual that had you feeling um, pained and hurt, but you're moving on from that person because they couldn't decide for themselves, and when they couldn't make a decision, it just pushed you into a negative space mentally, and something had to end because you were not being able to concentrate on your life, you were not being able to concentrate on anything. If it was a love relationship, if it was for if it was a job situation, work situation, I feel you were bogged down by other people's demands, other people's expectations, which were too difficult to meet. But you've left all that behind, Aquarius, and you are moving on to a better and more peaceful time in your life where things are more sorted than they were in the past. Probably some of you might get a new job offer or a new offer when it comes to business partnerships, or it could be a romantic relationship for some of you. Could be a Scorpio, Cancer person who has stirred your feelings, or a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius person. Could also be a Gemini, Libra, or another Aquarius, just like you. Dates like the 18th, the 20th, the 21st, 17th could be important for you. So keep a lookout for those dates, and whatever this new offer is going to be, it's going to make you feel happy. It's going to make you feel more fulfilled, and it's going to make you feel more empowered, like this. And whatever goes down comes back up again. So if you're feeling sad, or if you felt sad and morose in the recent past, rest assured that that energy is going to leave you very soon. For some of you, it has already left you and you are walking towards a better time. Balance spirituality and practicality, Aquarius. Guys, meditate more. If you have been feeling overwhelmed lately, meditate more, because losses are not easy to handle. Loss of any kind, actually. It's not just a person or a job or anything, any kind of loss. Like sometimes we realize that we lost ourselves chasing other people, and that's also a very big loss. You've got the full moon in Aquarius, and I love it when it happens when I do a certain reading for a sign and their card pops up. It's so beautiful. So, yes, we'll start with that. Show the world the real you. I think you've been hiding yourself. I think you've changed yourself for your romantic partner, or you've molded yourself according to what your colleagues or your seniors demanded of you when you were working at a certain place. What you need to do is keep that aside, keep that part aside, because that's not the real you. When you are true to yourself and you're your authentic self, that's when you realize that you can manifest anything. You become the tuning fork and you start attracting your wishes. A new start is coming because nothing is set in stone. Whatever, however, you felt in the recent past is a phase. Even today, even this moment is a phase. So live it and then let it go once it passes. Because the more you hold on to the events of the past, the more you're going to feel horrible about them and yourself. Conclusions are within reach. Whatever you had started comes to an end. Whatever you had ended leads to a new beautiful beginning. A beautiful beginning and an end. Okay? You're moving on to better times from tougher times, and I feel that you need to just calm down a little if you're feeling overwhelmed. Meditate. If you're feeling too bogged down by the energies, too confused, spend time with people who make you feel light and loved. Aquarius, uh, times are changing and they're changing in your favor. So just have faith, be patient, and do what you're doing because you're on the right path, Aquarius. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this reading helped. Bye.